How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, do me a huge favor, go down and subscribe. Today we finally have modification for the Bronco. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. We finally have a nicer day outside, but I don't have the Bronco available to install this right now. In the next week or so, we're going to be installing the modification, but I thought might as well take a look at the modification that we have since it's been here for a couple of days. It's a pretty big box, so I'm going to carry this inside and let's take a look at what we have, because I haven't seen what's in the box yet. Okay, so the box is pretty big. Let's get this open and see what we have inside though. All right, first thing I could find is a screwdriver. So, lots of tape. And I assume there's gonna be quite a bit of foam in here as well. So that probably isn't to my benefit, but I suppose we gotta keep what's inside safe. Alright, we are in. And then there is another box in the box. I didn't expect the boxes to be this big, but I assume this is one of the headlights. I guess I can tell you guys what's in the boxes because you already know by the title and the thumbnail probably. Let's cut into here. Yeah. So, like I said, the reason I'm not installing it is because I have to wait until a couple of weeks from now for certain reasons. I would have already had them installed, but we've had a massive snowstorm, and we're just waiting for tactical reasons. But these are much bigger than I thought they would be. I don't know why I thought Bronco headlights would be small, but they're not. And this is what we have. Yeah, they're pretty big. I don't know why. Like I said, I should have expected them to be this big. From what I have seen, carefully lifting it up for you guys, is that this and then these two theoretically should be plug and play. And that's what we're gonna be hoping for. Alright, so this is the headlight. I have it fully unboxed. I'll unpeel this in just a second. Some of you might be wondering, why headlights? Why are you doing headlights first? Well, these were sent to me by Morimoto, the company who makes these headlights. They said that they wanted me to test out their new design that they have for the Bronco, and I was happy to oblige. So they look pretty good. I mean, there's not much to say until we get them installed. But overall, these things are much bigger than I expected them to be. But these are factory sizes, have a slightly different look to them. I think they look really good, and I guess we'll see how they compare to the stocks and whether or not it is going to be a worthy upgrade. Now, my Bronco already has LED headlights. Not all Broncos come with the full LEDs. So for those who do not have the full LEDs, this is a definite worthy upgrade. And for those who do have LEDs, let's find out whether or not it is worth an upgrade or not. It's just gonna set the Bronco a little bit apart. And I was more than happy to oblige with testing these out. Getting my dirty fingerprints all over this thing already. I've also been told these work with all the factory options, so I can't wait to get testing and see how these look on the Bronco. There's a couple of different color options that are available. I believe they're available in RGB, they're available in amber, and they're available in white. I can't remember back to whether or not we settled on amber or white. I just want to keep it simple, as OEM as possible. My Bronco is very clean, and I like to just keep my vehicles OEM plus, if that makes sense. The one thing was the amber side reflector. So in Europe, these would be clear. In the United States, in order to be DOT approved, I'm pretty sure you have to have these amber side reflectors. The one thing that I wish I could get is a non-amber side reflector. I understand that these have to be there in order to be approved for sale or approved for on-road sale. This might be something we look into getting clear, because why not make everything clear? Euro taillight the world, in my opinion. I'm a big just fan of the clear. I think red looks good, amber looks good if you have a vehicle that matches with the color. My Bronco is green and my Mustang is blue, so it doesn't quite work in my opinion. I was talking to the team who sent me this. We had a snowstorm and then I have to get surgery, so I wouldn't be able to install them, and they were like, yeah, take your time, no problem. I'm like, I'll make an unboxing video in the meantime though, so at least you guys have something going up. So I appreciated them for sending me these, the first real modification for my Bronco. If you want to check these out for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description down below, and hopefully in the next week and a half, 2 weeks here, we'll have these on the Bronco. But yeah, the reason I don't have them or I'm not installing them is because I'm afraid it's going to take me an afternoon or a little bit longer, and I have to get a surgery in 2 days from now, so my timetable doesn't really work. If you're excited about these as much as I am, let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Check these out in the link in the description down below as well. That's all I have, and I will see you in the next video.